The African wild dog. More than a hunter, you've seen the patches, heard the cries, but the African wild dog is more than a symbol of speed. It's a creature of code, democratic yet endangered, loyal yet fading. In this episode, we meet the wild dog not as a predator, but as a portrait of unity, painted for survival. Look closely. No two wild dogs wear the same coat. Their mottled fur, black, brown, yellow, and white, is as unique as a fingerprint. It's not just camouflage, it's identity. Their white-tipped tails help the pack stay visible during hunts. Their coats tell stories, even in motion. Packs that vote. Wild dogs live in packs of 2 to 27, led by an alpha pair. But leadership isn't dictatorship, it's democracy. Before a hunt, they gather and sneeze, a form of voting. The more sneezes, the more likely the hunt begins. And yes, the alpha's sneeze carries more weight. It's not chaos, it's consensus. Loyalty without rival. Wild dogs are among the most cooperative mammals on Earth. They care for pups communally, feeding, guarding, teaching. They even regurgitate food for injured pack members. Aggression within the pack is rare. Unity is instinct. Care is culture. Speed and strategy. They're not just fast, they're relentless. Wild dogs reach speeds of up to 72 kilometers per hour, 45 miles per hour, and can maintain it for kilometers. Their hunts are coordinated, flanking, chasing, exhausting prey. Success rates reach 70 to 90%, far higher than lions or leopards. They don't overpower, they outlast. Voices in the wind. Wild dogs don't bark. They twitter, whine, and hoo-call, a haunting, bird-like sound that echoes across the plains. Each vocalization has meaning: reunion, alarm, invitation. Their language is layered, like their lives. Pup Priority. At a kill, pups eat first. Not dominance, but nurture. It's one of the few carnivores where the young are prioritized. Survival begins with generosity, range, and risk. Once found in 39 African countries, wild dogs now survive in fragmented pockets. Habitat loss, human conflict, and disease have pushed them to the edge. They're critically endangered in many regions. Even protected areas aren't always safe. They roam savannas, woodlands, and open plains, usually covering 30+ miles a day. But fences, roads, and fear shrink their world. Keeper of unity. So next time you hear a strange call in the dusk, remember, it's not just sound, it's strategy, family, survival. The African wild dog is not just a hunter, it is a keeper of unity. And this is just the beginning. Don't forget to watch our tribute music video to the African wild dog, Painted in Wild. Join us next time as we meet another of Africa's misunderstood icons, the Blue Wildebeest, revealed through lesser-known facts.